He is starting a lamp, just a lamp, and it's upside down. That where this story start. But trust me, it is not where it ends. In 2024, Mitch was a senior at a university in Louisiana, and he was completely obsessed with a girl in his class, Kalia. Not a little crush. Observed. It asked her out. She shut him down. He tried again. Shut down again. She was playing hard to get, and Mitch was too far gone to take the hint and walk away. Then out of nowhere, she says yes. One date turns into something real. They fall in love. They graduate together. They get married. And 2 years later, in 2026, Mitch and Kaya but their dreams home. White packet fence, kid running around the yard. Everything he had ever wanted sitting right in front of him. And that is exactly where things start to go wrong. One afternoon, Mitch is on the couch watching football, completely at peace. Life is good, life is his. Then he glances across the room at a lamp. It's blurry. Not he needs glasses, blurry, wrong. Of like it does not belong in this reality anymore. He does the typing guys think, showing it off, whatever, and goes back to the game. But later that some days he looks again. The lamp is upside down. Now Mitch is not showing anything off. Something is wrong, but he does not say a word to Kalia. They put the kid to bed. They go to sleep like it is not any other night. Kalia asleep, Mitch is wide awake, and something he cannot explain pulls him out of bed and down the stairs. The lights are off, the house is dead silent, and even in the darkness, he cannot see it. The lamp is still blurry, still upside down. Then it started to grow. It swelled, filling more and more of the room, more and more of his vision, until there's nothing left to see but the lamp encompassing everything. And that's when the pain hits, a blinding pain spreading through his skull, a ringing in his ears, and underneath it, voice screaming, dozens of people screaming from everywhere and nowhere at once. Then nothing, total darkness. The lamp is gone. Mitch opens his eyes. He is on the ground, broad daylights. A circle of strangers streaming down at him. This is not his house. A police officer swoops through the crowd, grabs him under the arms, and without saying a simple word, hauls him up and sprints toward a squad car. Mitch is panicking. Where is my wife? Where is my kids? What is happening? The officer finally answers, "Sir, you hit your head. I am taking you to the hospital." And that is when it all comes apart. Mitch was a senior in college, playing football. He took a hit, went down, and slammed his head into the ground. He was unconscious for a fraction of a second. In that fraction of a second, his brain built an entire life, a wife, children, a wedding, a dream, a house, years of memories and love, an entire future constructed faster than it you to blink. Now of it happened, Kalia never excited. His kids never excited, and Mitch had to walk off that field and grieve people who were never alive to lose in the first place. Your brain can build an entire side of a life in less time than it takes you to blink right now. So what actually real, and how would you ever know? Tell me your theory in the comments, and if this messed with your head half as much as it did mine, stick around because it only gets stranger from here.